In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a no-code AI assistant with Base44 Superagent. We'll build a practical assistant from scratch and keep everything simple, clear, and focused on results. First, open your browser and head to the Base44 app. Base44 is a no-code platform that lets you create superagents, which are AI assistants designed to perform tasks across your tools. Once you're in, look for the superagent section. This is where all your assistants live, so it's the perfect place to start. Next, click Create a new superagent. This opens a blank canvas where you define what your assistant will do. Think of the superagent as a capable teammate. You'll give it a clear mission, and it will carry that out using connected apps and your instructions. In the prompt area, describe the job in natural language. For example, type something like, monitor my Gmail inbox and summarize important emails. Be specific about what important means to you. Maybe messages from certain senders, anything marked as high priority, or emails that include deadlines. You can also set expectations for the output, such as a short daily summary with links to the original messages. The clearer your prompt, the better the assistant performs. If you're unsure how to hook it up to the right tools, just ask inside the superagent chat how to connect to what you want. The assistant can guide you on the recommended integrations for your scenario, whether that's email, calendars, or team chat. Now click on Connected To. This is where you link the superagent to the services it needs. Choose the apps relevant to your prompt and follow the standard authorization flow. Only grant the access that's necessary for the task, and remember, you can review or remove connections later. Once connected, your assistant can read data it's permitted to access and act according to your instructions. After the connection is complete, start interacting with your superagent. Ask what to do next or give it a test task. For example, summarize my last 24 hours of emails and highlight anything marked important. Review its output and refine your prompt if needed. You can adjust tone, structure, or filters, like asking for bullet-style highlights, timestamps, or action items. If something looks off, tighten the criteria or clarify the scope. Small tweaks to wording often make a big difference. When you're happy with the behavior, your no-code AI assistant is ready to support you. Keep iterating as your needs evolve and revisit the connected to area anytime you want to add or remove integrations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.